All right, Mr. Wilson, can you hear me all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, your parents?
Homelessness, I'm not right.
That's fine.
Your Honor, today's the time and date for the pretrial. It looks like 12 separate files. I've been able to pre-try the case on a number of occasions with the city attorney. I've been able to meet with the defendant. I've been able to speak with him as well. We're happy to. He has been advised of his rights. Judge, just for the record, the reason for those no contest pleas is he has a general lack of memory, can't particularize as it relates to some of those instances. However, does have general memories of being there, doing those things.
Okay. Okay. All right. Mr. Wilson, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel today?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand those rights and the options they present?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So what I've got is that I'm going to take a no contest plea from you on 2 disorderly person charges, 1 retail fraud, 1 larceny, and 2 possession of paraphernalia charges. Each one of those files is punishable by up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. My understanding is you're going to plead no contest because you got some memory issues. When you
Yes, Your
plead no
Honor.
contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting those charges. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Keewan and I talked about it before you were back in the session, and he says he's reviewed these files to the point where he can provide me the facts I need to accept your plea. You understand
Okay.
that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So I have no doubt that I'm going to hear the facts I need so I can accept no contest pleas to each one of those files. Once I accept a no contest plea, then there'll be a sentencing. So if you plead guilty or no contest, there's still a sentencing. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have any questions about anything so far?
No.
All right. So in no particular order, I'm going to go through these files. The first one I'm looking at is from February 20, 2026, retail fraud and possession of drug paraphernalia. Are you pleading no contest to both of those charges today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, can you give me the facts I need for the incident date of February 20?
Your Honor, police reported the case. The defendant was at the Marriott Hotel in Romulus, Michigan. Allegedly took 2 sausages totaling about $9. Also was in possession of a glass pipe at that point in time, per the police report in the ticket.
Okay. That covers that charge, those charges. Okay. All right. And how long have you been in custody?
Since February 11th.
And that was the Westland charge he went in on?
All of these charges and the Westland charge.
Okay.
That's on the Westland charge through March 18th. He's been held since March 18th on a couple of bonds on this.
Okay. So Westland's done with it.
Westland done, completely done.
Okay. All right. What's in his future?
So right now, he is 30 pounds heavier than he was 2 months ago. He is coherent, he is clear-eyed, he's engaged. Night and day difference, Judge, probably one of the biggest I've ever seen.
Okay.
He needs to get rehab. We've been trying to get him into, we had some issues with doing a third-party parent. He's a mile and a half from Mariners. He knows how to walk there. He's an alumni there. He is begging for some help. That's the place he needs to go. I think he needs to strike with iron's hot right now. So he needs to do a complete lifestyle change. And I think he's positioned right now to do it.
All right, Mr. Wilson. You're living in Westland, right?
Wayne.
He's homeless.
You got nowhere to live right now.
No, nowhere to live. But Mariners Inn is where I wanted to go. I've been there before, and they helped me a lot, and they can help me this time.
All right, but what happens if they won't take you in? Maybe they don't have a bed space. Then what
I
do you
will
do?
call the 1-800-DWIN number and wait until I get into another facility because I don't have anywhere to go.
Judge, we've also spoken. He knows my number by heart. My advice to him is if I can get him out of there, he wants to don't let him call me right.
Okay. And then you're going to call probation and see if we can help you.
Try to do something.
Yeah.
Jail's a place for him now.
No. I don't want him in jail.
Clearly, he doesn't think that Ryan was doing what he was doing.
Right. What was the drug of choice, Mr. Wilson?
Crack cocaine.
Okay.
Wasn't a good one, man. It ruined my life, but I'm ready to move on now. I've done a lot of time in here and had a lot of time to think, and this is the clearest mind I've had in 2 years.
Okay. All right. Well, the first thing you got to do is find a safe place to sleep.
Yeah, well, Mariners Inn is that it's this summer. They usually have open beds. I've been there 2 times already. They should let me in with open arms.
All right. But the second thing you need to do is you got to get into a maintenance program so you can stay clean.
Yeah, yes, sir.
All right. So I'm telling you, I know you're nowhere near Romulus, but I will order my probation department to bend over backwards to help you keep on this new path you're on.
Okay.
So Mr. Keewan knows that when we offer to help, we're serious. So if Mariners doesn't work out, or if Mariners are bad, but you got it, you're still having trouble with what's the next step, you call him and he has access to me, and we're going to work a plan to keep you on this new path.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
I mean, I can help you get a job maybe, right?
I need it,
Okay.
man. I'm tired of living
So
like I've been
first thing
living.
is a safe place to sleep. Second thing is a maintenance plan to stay clean and sober. Then we'll work on the rest of everything.
Judge,
Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
One of the other things he's been doing while is he's now medicated. He's bipolar.
Okay.
Not even day.
Okay. So we got to stay on our meds.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So when do you go in? March what? 18th? February.
And there are 60 days.
All right. So on these two files, we got more I'm taking pleas on, but on these two files, I'm just going to put you on 30 days jail credit for 30 days. All right. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do it on this file. We'll get to that in a minute. All right. All right. The next file I'm looking at, Mr. Wilson, is possession of paraphernalia from October 27. Are you pleading no contest on that one as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
And counsel, can you provide me the facts I need there?
Police report indicated that he was at a location in Ron, it was 30559 Flint Street. Came into contact with law enforcement. They patted him down. They found a pipe in his front left pocket, I believe. They had a pipe usage smell crack cocaine.
Okay. Yeah. But the only thing you're not sure on is what pocket, but they found it on him.
Absolutely.
I'm satisfied with that plea. All right. So on that one, I'm going to accept your plea to no contest. Sentencing is 30 days in jail, credit for 30 days jail. I'm putting you on this file. I'm putting you on a 12-month non-reporting probation.
Okay,
All
thank
you
you.
need to do is stay out of trouble. But that gives me an open file. So if you contact us and say, I need help, my probation department jumps on it.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Well, also, if you screw up, then you violate probation. You might face more penalties on the violation of probation. Understood?
I understand.
All right. We're working our way towards the bottom. Next up, I've got a larceny charge from December 15, 2026. Are you pleading no contest on that file?
Yes, Your Honor.
Judge, police report indicating that on December 15th, 2025, he came into contact with a young lady. It's alleged that he took her wallet. We're not going to contest those charges. They're speaking with the prosecutor. She's reached out to the young lady numerous occasions. That's not heard back as it relates to restitution.
Okay. You satisfied the facts have been met?
I'm satisfied.
So am I.
Michigan, Your Honor, I'm satisfied.
All right. 30 days jail, 30 days credit. Moving on. October 21, 25, disorderly person charge. Are you pleading no contest on that one, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Judge, report indicate that on that particular day, he was at 84 from here in Maryland in the city of Romulus. He'd been trespassed from there before. At that location, he was disorderly, he was intoxicated, and was harassing.
You satisfied with the facts?
That was in the city.
Court satisfied as well. 30 days jail, 30 days credit, Mr. Wilson. Last one up is a January 4, 2026 disorderly person. Are you pleading no contest on that one, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you have facts for that date?
Your Honor, on that particular date, it's alleged that he was at a hotel at 1800, I believe it's Maryland, Wickham, in the city of Romulus. Came into contact with some employees, was asked to leave and behaved at that point in a disorderly manner, was intoxicated, yelling, those types of things. The judge would not stand against that charge.
All right. You're satisfied with the facts, huh?
Yeah, that was, yes, Your Honor, awesome.
All right. Mr. Wilson, I'm satisfied on the facts on that file. I'll accept your no contest plea. I'm sentencing you on that file to 30 days in jail, credit for time served. So that wraps up all of our business. Brother, listen to me. I have given you huge amounts of grace today.
Thank you.
No, I'm not doing this because I want to thank you. I want you to understand where you're at with me. I've done that because I want to make an investment in this new future. I want you to hear my heart. I will bend over backwards here to help you stay on this path, but I can't come find you.
Okay.
So if you need help, you got to call Mr. Keewan. He's done great work for you on these files.
Amazing. Thank you. Thank you guys both.
So if you're having any issues, man, call him.
Okay.
Right? The system worked for you today. Let the system help keep your future on the right track.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right? Good luck.
Sure.
You're welcome. Good work. All right. Oh, you got Ackman still there. So, you've talked to Ackman already, though. Okay. Mr. Wilson, would you let the deputies know that we're done with you, but we need
Good.
Mr. Ackman in your chair?
So am I leaving jail today?
I'm done with you. These
Oh,
files,
yes.
we're done with you. So
Thank
unless
you.
you've got some other court business,
Nope.
you should be released as soon as they can process you out.
Hey,
All right.
mile and a half walk. Walk over there right now.
I'm gonna throw them every copy.
That's all right. We'll dismiss it.